Welcome to Polyglots Parent Portal Tutorials. In this video, we are going to review our accounts. We will cover where to find detailed transactions, where to view invoices, how to make a payment. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we will go to the Polyglots website, polyglots.ca, then find the portal and log in. Here we are at our login page. Enter your email and password and log in. Here I am at the news page of the parent portal. From here, I go to the left-hand side and go down to the icon that says Accounts and Invoices. Now I can see all the transactions on my account. There was a lesson in January, then the Spanish summer camp, and a friend referral credit for referring a friend to the Spanish program. You can also change the balance date so that you can peek ahead to any charges that might be coming up. I can do that by going here to the calendar icon, click on the calendar, and select a date in the future. And you'll see that I have my child scheduled for another summer camp that wasn't showing previously. So these are the transactions on my account. Now I can go to Invoices. If I select this tab here, I will see the invoices that have been issued on my account. Here in the side, I see three little dots. I click on those dots and I have the choice to either download my invoice or open it directly in my browser. I'm going to open it. Now here's my invoice, and it says right on the invoice, payment may be made through e-transfer. When you choose this method, please make sure to include your child's name in the information that you send with the bank. You may also select the click here to pay now or click here to pay online to pay by PayPal. There will be an additional 3% service convenience fee that will be attached to these payments. So if I wanted to make payment through PayPal, I could go ahead and click here to pay online. I can review the amount, the subtotal amount, the convenience fee, and then the total amount, and click continue. That will take me to the PayPal account, and I can continue processing via PayPal. Another way to make an online payment is to go back to the Account tab and select this icon here that says Make Payment. This option brings up the oldest transaction first, and again will show me the subtotal, the online convenience fee that will be charged through PayPal, and the total amount. Again, if I click the Continue button, it will take me to PayPal. So that's it. We have covered how to find your accounts and invoices here on the side tab. You can view your transactions. You can select invoices to view your invoices. You can go back to account, and you can make a payment online, or you can also choose the option to do by e-transfer. Hope that was helpful. Have a great day.